So the next video on our series, Do You Know What You Do Not Know, is going to be somewhat controversial, and I'm going to ruffle some feathers in our industry, and it's a little prickly, but this truth has to be told. I'm a huge proponent of quality work and awards and all sorts of things, but I don't think the average investor or Canadian that's seeking financial advice actually understands how these awards are granted in our industry. So when I hear someone tout financial planning award winner or Better Business Bureau or et cetera, wealth professional advisor of the year and all this, I don't think the investors actually understand that these firms and advisors are paying for these awards. You don't actually get nominated based on the quality of the work without actually cutting a check. Sometimes $5,000 to $10,000. That to me is the highest conflict of interest that you could ever find in that type of circumstance. That's like the film producers having to cut a check to actually win an Oscar. It's completely nuts. But creatively aside, it is so much different than the film or, there's no creative aspect to this. It's always black and white. You are either delivering results for your clients and you're maximizing their wealth with a pure and productive financial planning process, or you're not. And so why not have the clients and the actual performance of managing wealth be the dictator of these awards rather than some half-assed system where you're writing a check to get a nomination and then selected through a group of peers, which again has nothing to do with deliverables. So again, a little bit of a rant, but I really want everybody to understand. If your advisor is talking about awards and all these different things, 90% of the time it's going to be through some conflict of interest or some bias that has been created in the industry, and it's just a money grab. What we would rather have stand out is the work that we do, the results that we provide, the returns, the tax savings, the innovation that we can provide our clients to maximize their wealth, and let that do the talkings and keep the awards in the closet to collect dust.